our memory verse for today is found in Jonah 2:2. So yung action niya, yung cried, ganyan lang, cried. Parang umiiyak talaga, no? Okay? Yung Lord, alam na natin. Yung great trouble, ganyan siya, tapos ganyan. And then trouble, gano'n. Eh, nakikita niyo ba? Parang gumagano siya. And then, he answered me. Okay? Answered, ganun lang. Nasa mouth, okay? So yung trouble parang dati na nakita na natin yun, yung parang may gumugulo sa taas, gumaganyan-ganyan lang. Okay, yung great naman, ganyan, tas ganon. Okay, sige,
Okay.
subukan natin ha. Subukan natin. Jonah 2:2, I cried out to the Lord in my great trouble. And
Teacher,
He
ano na nga yung great
answered
trouble?
me. Yung great, ganyan. Great, tapos trouble. Yung trouble nakaganon. Nakaganon sa head. Nakikita mo, teacher. Sige, ulitin ko yan. Mas malinaw na.
Mhm.
Okay, Jonah 2:2, I cried. So, yan. Out to the Lord in my great trouble. And He answered me. Jonah 2:2. Okay, nakuha niyo ba?
Oo.
Okay, okay, sige.
Okay.